So this past weekend, I got to watch Aladdin with my two boys. You can learn a thing or two from a genie. You know, the movie's about this poor boy, you know, who had pretty much nothing. He was a riffraff. He fell in love with this princess, Princess Jasmine in the kingdom. In order to marry a princess, it required you to be a prince. And this opportunity arrived where he ends up with a magic lamp and he rubbed it and he was granted 3 wishes by the genie.
Hey, can you make me a prince?
There is a lot of gray area in Make Me a Prince.
He becomes a prince and he acts a fool because he wasn't being himself. He was trying to be something that he was not, to impress the princess. In today's world, we talk a lot about being authentic. In order to be authentic, I think one of the biggest thing is we have to understand who we are and how do we actually show who we are to others. One of the awesome lines that the genie said to Aladdin was this: true character always shines through. In a world of influencers and marketers and all these people who put themselves on camera, I think people are smart enough nowadays where they can sniff you out. Be yourself. Be your true character, and eventually that will shine through and people can see that. You know, when you're on camera, you're talking about your business or talking about what you know, just tell stories, tell your personal experiences. Don't try to be something you are not. So at the end of the movie, they all find out who he is. He's no prince, he's just Aladdin. And guess what? That's when everything started working out for him. Princess fell in love with him and he got everything he ever wanted when he started being authentic.